What's up, y'all? I'm TonyaNicole for you guys that do not know, and welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so happy to have you. Today, we're going to be unboxing something that came really early this month. It's our Slay Glam box. Girl, I know it's early, right? Yeah. If you guys want to see what's inside of my Slay Glam for the month of September, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing today on this hump day. Okay, guys, so today we're going to be unboxing and trying on our items from our Slay Glam box. Now, y'all know last month I had a little bit of an issue with Slay Glam because it came way late towards the end of the month, and to me it just made no sense to unbox boxes that comes in 3 days before the month is out. But Slay Glam came through this month, and I'm so excited to see what we have and to try on for you guys. Slay Glam has been one of my favorite subscriptions, so I was on the fence about them for a couple months. I'm hoping this month will be the determining factor as to if I will keep it for another 3 months or not. So y'all, without further ado, let's get on into this unboxing and try on. Excuse this little glare situation that's going on over here. I don't know what's going on with the sun. I guess it's hiding from me today. I don't know, guys. But anyway, so for you guys that do not know, Slay Glam is a $24 per month beauty subscription. You get 5 to 7 full-size beauty, makeup, skincare products, and it's supposed to have a minimum value of at least $100. Yeah. So if you guys want to subscribe to Slay Glam, I will put my code down below as well as the link, Tonya Slays. But that makes sense. Y'all, have a cough drop in my mouth because my throat is killing me. So I'm sorry if y'all see it swirling around in my mouth or if I'm sounding a little manly today, but my throat is on fire. Anyway, guys, if you want to subscribe to Slay Glam, I will put the link down below as well as my code, Tonya Slays, for you guys to sign up and get some coins off of your first box. So, yeah, girl. Yeah, boy. We getting ready to get into it. Slay Glam, what I do love about this company is they let you customize a lot of their products. And I think this time I only picked the color of my lipstick. So let's get on to this unboxing and try on. Y'all, I'm so excited. It came packaged like this in this cute pink bag this month. And when you slide it out, oh, I'm sorry for the noise. It's in this. So let's slide it out of this. This is how it comes every single month. I absolutely love this packaging, guys. It's gorgeous. It's so cute. And let's get it cracking, baby. I'm just gonna take all of the contents out. Every month, Slay Glam comes with this card that says, Slay Glam box, thanks for subscribing, with the social media handles on the bottom. And on the back is all of the products. I'm trying to make sure I'm in focus, guys. All of the products we receive for the month as well as the prices. So we will go through that. Y'all know my routine. I'm gonna put the prices on the bottom and the grand total towards the end of the video. So let's get on into it. First up, I am seeing this Drippin' Diamonds Beauty Diamond Matte Lipstick. And this is how the outside packaging is looking, guys. So I did see the spoiler on this, but y'all, I'm sorry for the glare. I see the little glare. Look at this packaging. Oh my God. This is like perfect for me. Oh, girl, it's beautiful. I have the shade 03 Star Brick lipstick. Turn it, and it's supposed to be a red color. So that's the shade right there. Very, very pretty. I'll swatch a little bit on the back of my hand. It's not that pigmented, but let's see how it works on the lips. Oh, yeah, it's like a brick color. It's more of a brick. But it is super creamy. It goes on nice. It's a matte lipstick, but it is very, very creamy. And we'll see how it dries down as we go through the video. But I do like it. This beautiful, beautiful Drippin' Diamonds diamond lipstick retails for $26. The packaging is awesome, though. I love the packaging. So, yeah, $26. Up next, I am seeing a palette, guys. Let's open it up out of the bubble wrap. Y'all, it's hot. I hate being sick. I am seeing from J Cat Beauty this Walk of Stardom eyeshadow palette, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like here, guys. And let's open it up and see. Oh, the back shows you all of the shades that we got, and this looks like a gorgeous fall palette. It says here you get 6 mattes and 6 shimmer shades. So this is how the outside packaging is looking. This is a beautiful fall palette, guys, beautiful. Let's open it up, and these are the shades right there. I hope you guys can see it without the stupid glare, but these are the shades right here. I'm gonna wait and open up the other palette first before I decide if I'm going to use this one or the other one. It does not come with a mirror, but these shades are gorgeous. So I'm gonna wait to see if we're gonna use this one or the other palette, okay? And this is the J-Cat Extreme Access Pocket Shadow eyeshadow palette here, and this retails for $6.99. Up next, we have from Medusa's Makeup this Witch Lash Cruelty-Free Mascara. This is what the outside packaging is looking like here. I do have this mascara already, so I will not be using this one, but I'll put it in a giveaway. It's the blue mascara that I had, and I won't open it. I'm just gonna put this in a giveaway. I don't know where my other one is, but it's a cute blue mascara that goes on gorgeous. If y'all want to see how this shade looks on me, y'all can check out my Medusa's unboxing for the month of, not August, July, and I'm wearing it in that video. So let's see how much this retails for. I'm trying to not give y'all a glare. I'm so sorry. So this is the Medusa's Makeup Twilight Mascara, and this retails for $12, guys. All right, guys, up next we have another palette here. Gorgeous. And this is from Alondra Desi. And this is a Glam Light 15 Luxury Eyeshadow Palette. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Y'all, this palette is velvet. It's a velvet. Oh my God. Y'all, oh my God, it's a velvet palette. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, Slay Glam, y'all doing good this month. Oh yeah, baby, y'all doing good. It does come with a mirror, and this is the palette here. Oh my goodness, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. We're gonna use this palette today. We're using this one today. Okay. And this is the Glam Light Alondra Desi eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $38. Yes, this is a beautiful palette. Oh my God. Oh, yeah, let's swatch a couple. Let's just swatch a couple really quick. That's how it looks when it's folded back. I'm so sorry for the lights, guys. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to work on that very soon. Oh, they feel so nice. That's how they're looking on my fingertips. And this is how they swatched out, guys. Not very, very pigmented, but that's okay. We're gonna see how it works on the eyes. And I told you guys it retails for $38. And we have one more product in the box, and it is, I'm not sure, what is this? This is the Doe Color Blending Brush Set. And let's open this up. And this is how it looks outside of the package. Oh, they feel nice. They feel really nice. And it's just like rose gold type top here. Nice brush with a sleek black handle. And you have 4 beautiful brushes here. I will definitely get a lot of good use out of these brushes. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. They feel so soft. And these retail, guys, for $15. So we're gonna do a quick try on portion of the eyeshadows. I am actually going to work from this palette today, the Alondra Desi palette from Glam Light Cosmetics. We're going to use this real quick just to do a quick little eye look, which we'll use this brush here. And I'm going to dip into Espresso, this shade right here at the bottom, which is a nice brown. Ooh. I'm going to put this right in the crease of my eye. The brush feels really nice, guys. I'm gonna do a quick look. That has a nice pickup. Can y'all see that? It's a nice pickup. It's not, it's like a red undertone espresso. It's not like a true, it's like a brown, but it's a nice undertone. A nice red undertone, perfect for fall. Oh, that looks really good, actually. Beautiful. All right, guys, and we're gonna now dip into Selena right here, and we're gonna use another brush. We're gonna use this more, what would you call it? I'm not gonna call it a packer brush. This is a blending brush too, but I'm just gonna use this to kind of go into Selena and just build up that inner corner right here. We're gonna tap Selena. Oh, girl, can y'all see? This camera is not giving this shadow justice. Oh my goodness, y'all. Wow, and my air just clicked on if y'all heard that, sorry. Oh my God, the pigment in this palette is gorgeous. I am pleasantly surprised. Wow. And these brushes work pretty good too. Just go back into that first brush that I had and just kind of blend this all together so that we don't have any harsh lines. Y'all, I am sweating. I think I may have fever. I don't know. And that's how we're looking with those two colors. And I'm just gonna hit the lid. I'm gonna use a new brush because I love using new brushes. Okay, so I'm going to add a little shimmer. We're gonna go in with Miss Bougie. We're gonna dip into Bougie right there and just finish this look off. Let's see how it works without spraying the brush. And I may have to use a different brush for this, but let's see. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a different brush. Put a little shimmer. Ooh, girl, and this is not even spraying it. Ooh, yes. Not even spraying the brush, and it is very pigmented. I absolutely love. Ooh, I love this palette. Oh my goodness, y'all. I love it. I just really wanted to test out this palette to see, and it is so pigmented, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so pigmented. I'm gonna go and put on a little bit of mascara, and we're gonna come back. I'm gonna give final thoughts. We're gonna rate the box, and we're gonna be done, okay? Okay, guys, so I threw on a quick little mascara, my Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I'm not gonna put any lashes on today because I'm feeling like really sick. So we're gonna quickly wrap this up. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we rate it and we'll be done. So we received from Alondra Desi this Glam Light palette here. We received these doe color brushes right here, which are really nice. This lipstick from Drippin' Diamonds. This palette here from J Cat Beauty. 2 palettes, y'all. And from Medusa's Makeup, this mascara here in the shade Twilight. 5 items total for this month. Final thoughts on this box is Slay Glam knocked it out the park for me. This is a winner chicken dinner box. I absolutely love the box. I'm back in love with Slay Glam. I'm definitely gonna keep it, I think, for 3 more months. I think after October, I determined if I want to renew my subscription, and I think I will, guys. This box was amazing. This box was amazing. Not 1, but 2 palettes this month. And I'm gonna play with this one too, guys, because this is a beautiful fall palette. I'm gonna play with this one in a future video for you guys. These brushes are nice. The lipstick is nice. I already used the Medusa's mascara, so I know how this works. So I would say that if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage to 5 being this box is the bomb. Yeah, 5 being this box is the bomb.com. Y'all, this month for Slay Glam, we're gonna give it a 5, yes. Great job, Slay Glam. I'm back in love with you guys. I can't wait to see what we get next month. This was truly an amazing box, guys. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this box and the way that the products went on. I'm telling y'all, it looks really good. The lipstick is gorgeous. The eyeshadow, girl, this is a good box this month. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about this box. Let me know your rating on the box for this month. I think it's actually really, really, really good. If you guys are not subscribed to Tonya Nicole's Bomb Ass Subscriber Squad, you need to smash that button and subscribe to me. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to follow me on social media. All of my links are down below. All of my giveaway winners, your packages are shipping today. And I think that's all that I have for you guys. I'm gonna go rest my throat. Well, I do have to do one more video after this, guys. So I'm gonna do a quick Ulta and TJ Maxx haul that I did, and that will be up on Friday. So guys, that is all that I have for today. Until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Peace.